Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have control of the pointer, so start by clicking the Start/Windows icon in the lower left or the hot corner. Once the menu opens, hover over or click the User/Power icon. Make sure you see the power options appear. If the Start menu is unresponsive, try a single right-click on the desktop, then left-click the Start icon again. This first action opens the path to shutdown using only mouse clicks, so don't use the keyboard yet. Now click the power icon. The menu displays Sleep, Restart, and Shutdown. Move the cursor to Shutdown and click once. Many systems will begin the process immediately. If your system prompts for confirmation, left-click the Shutdown or Yes button in the dialog. Avoid double-clicking to prevent misclicks. Make sure to wait a heartbeat after clicking so background tasks can close. If you need to cancel, click an empty area to dismiss the menu and start over. The machine should begin closing apps and power off. Watch for the screen going black. If shutdown stalls, try reopening the Start Power menu with the mouse and select Shutdown again or click Task Manager to end a frozen app before retrying. Once done, do not touch the mouse until the device is fully off. If clicks fail, swap to a different USB port, replace batteries, or as a last resort, briefly press the physical power button to force power off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.